Supply chain is really quite a broad subject. There's finance, there's budgeting, there's scheduling, there's management. Supply chain and supply chain management is more well established as a field and pretty well served by business schools, but they're not offering the same sort of interdisciplinary approach that we are. With the kind of flexibility we have with an online program, we're able to offer a more specialized program. Ours is the first one that I've seen that offers a specific focus on the logistics and the transportation of a supply chain. We've spent a lot of time here at the university developing personal relationships with people across disciplines, but then also understanding those fields and what they bring to the problem. It's a little overwhelming how effective our advisory board is. These are really top-notch people who don't get to be in the positions that they're in without being very insightful, very focused, and when they put their attention on something, they're effective. Our primary goal in engaging them is to ensure that the curriculum is relevant, to make sure that students we produce have the skills that they want to hire, and they know that better than we do. The first third of the workload is really foundations to the fundamental trade-off that you have to address when you're designing an efficient supply chain. The second third of the program are what I think of as the sort of strategic advantages once you have that foundation. In the last part, you get to practice doing that on your own, not through some structured homework assignment, but a partnership between the student and their employer. One of the assets to our online program, it actually allows us to more individualize the program for them. Students who have more different backgrounds, some with more extensive professional training, some with an undergraduate degree in industrial engineering, some with an undergraduate degree in business. When we match with the right student who wants a focused program on supply chain, transportation, and logistics, we can provide it to them in a way that we wouldn't have been able to with a traditional program. We really want students to walk away with sort of what I call strategic knowledge. So they don't just know how to apply this software tool and figure out which route is the cheapest, but they have an intuition for what those trade-offs are, how they play out in the supply chain, and they can be sort of ahead of the computer.